Welcome to the first video, and I'm so excited that you're here. I want to make sure you're paying attention to the whole video as I share some things that we provide for our VIP clients, and you could be one of them. The first thing that you need to get right is using your special brain hacks to get your mind working for you and not against you. Firstly, we want to give you an awareness of the basic brain structure, which parts of the brain are responsible for which functions. Once armed with this knowledge, you can unlock the secrets of the unconscious mind and align it with your conscious mind so that they can work in harmony with each other to fulfill your greatest desires. We look at the different brainwave frequencies and how they relate to the different states of consciousness and what tools can be used to assist you to move between them. Finally, the different daily habits that you commit to in your life that will ensure long-term success. Not just being responsible for raising happy bush kids, but in all aspects of your life. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I want to make sure that you have been listening to the end, because only people who are listening to the end will know what I want them to do to remain eligible to go into the competition draw, which is to type in the comments below one thing that you discovered in this video. Type in the one thing that really stood out to you and type it in the comments. Send it to me in a private message or in an email even, saying, "G'day Alana, the biggest thing that stood out for me in the first video was," and finish the sentence. I'm going to send you another video really soon. Remember, there will be 6 winners who will win a share of over $5,000 in prizes through this competition. And I want it to be you. And I want you to make sure it's also you. To make sure that it's you and take massive action this week. In the next video, I'm going to share with you the secrets on how to understand child development milestones to change your perspective on your child's behaviour. So make sure you watch the next video for more value and more opportunities to boost your chances of winning this competition. And I'll see you really soon. Hooroo!